Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am making a decoupage kettle. Decoupaging on a kettle is a very trendy decoration item nowadays. So let's go through a really easy way to make one. And before that, do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and also follow me on my social media. I am taking this old kettle which is no longer in use. Gesso or white acrylic color can be used as well. Glue. I'm using this Decomagic glue which is specially made for decoupage. Some colors. Varnish. Brushes and decoupage napkin. Apply gesso all over the kettle with the help of a brush. Gesso works like a primer and give the product the even tone surface. After applying gesso, use a dabber to hide the brush strokes. I don't have a dabber, so I'm simply using a piece of sponge to do so. Apply gesso on the cap as well and let them dry. Once they are completely dried, take the decoupage napkin. It is a special napkin which has 3 layers. We only need the outermost layer. Tear up the napkin according to the size of the kettle. Tearing is always a good idea in case of decoupage other than cutting because it will give you a very smooth endings while sticking. Start sticking the napkin paper from one side to the other gradually. Apply a thin layer of the glue on one side. Place the napkin paper very carefully. Avoid all the air bubbles. You can also run a dry brush over the napkin paper, but the brush should be completely dry. Apply a little amount of glue again and stick the paper slowly. Then cover up the whole kettle, repeating the same process. Now for the upper portion, cut the paper by the shape of the flower. This way they are easy to stick and we can avoid air bubbles as well. Then attach some leftover paper on the gaps and fill up all the empty spaces. Now use some matching colors to color the handles, the mouth, the neck portion also. I'm using chalk colors here. You can also use fabric or acrylic color, whichever is preferable. Then to highlight the kettle, I'm applying this golden metallic color. Now this is how it will look like. You can also highlight the flowers using the same color. The kettle is almost ready. Now I'm applying a little darker color to the cap and again applying a golden color on the tip of the cap. At last, you can also apply varnish on the whole kettle, but this step is completely optional. And this is it, the kettle is done. This is a beautiful element to decorate your house with. And that's all for today guys. Thank you for watching my video.